Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tow Vehicle Tech Talk series. Now that it's springtime, more videos are coming your way. Today we're going to talk about batteries. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tow Vehicle Tech Talk series. Today's video is going to be a very quick and short one. Remember, the intent of these series is not to show you how to do it, but to show you what I did and why I did it. This one's going to be a quickie. So today I'm going to show you how to install a jumper system that I use. So let me back up. If you're like me, nobody likes to jump another vehicle. There's always that cringe when you're connecting the cables. You're like, the battery's going to blow up on me, or am I connecting them incorrectly? Am I reversing the positive and negative? Always makes you cringe. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to come up with a way, and I'm not the only one that's on this. Don't get me wrong, I'm not the first one. But I'm going to come up with a way to safely do this and to be able to jump somebody if I need to. Real simple. Oops. If I can get it out. Sorry. Hold on here. There, I've got it tucked up. So what I did was I purchased a 25-foot jumper cable. It was just under $30 on Amazon, because that's where I buy everything. $30, and it's 4 gauge, so it's nice and thick. But the reason it's so cheap is because it's 4 gauge of copper coated aluminum. That's okay for jumping, but if I were to connect this to, say, a DC-DC converter and put it in the back of the truck, you definitely want to go solid copper. Solid copper will hold the amps. The copper coated aluminum, it'll hold 150 amps for a short period, so it's safe enough. If I didn't think it was safe, I would have used the real good stuff. But it comes at 3 times the cost. And I thought, for this, $30, it works. It only takes a couple of seconds to jump a vehicle. So I was okay with that. So basically what I did, well, let me show you here. Again, from Amazon, 25-foot cable. Let me show you what I did. I bought this, and it comes with clamps on each end, these things. Comes on both ends. So what I did was I cut off one end, right? And then one of my favorite things to use are the Anderson connectors. This one is 175 amp. They come in various sizes, in amperage, load bearing, whatever you want to call it. So this is the biggest one they make, 175. This cable is rated for 150 amps. It's a little over, but that's okay. I don't expect anything to happen to this. Anyway, long story short, I put an Anderson connector, and I think I've shown you in previous videos about the Anderson connectors. One of my favorite connectors for a quick connector. I cut off the ends, I spliced one of these on, and then I did the same thing on the other end. I've got the cables where I put the Anderson connector on, and then I just hardwired it to the positive and the negative on the truck. So one of the things that I wanted to do, but still haven't been able to, was I wanted to take this and mount it somewhere down here. So it was just out of sight, out of mind. All I would have to do is take off the cap, plug it in, and I've got my cable. But unless I'm going to drill a hole into my truck, which I'm not, I'm for now just leaving it tucked inside the engine compartment, and that seems to be okay. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. I hope to never use it, right? But I've got 25 feet. It's in the middle of the front of the truck. I could pull up to somebody. I could jump them safely. So how I would do it is I would connect the jumper cables to their battery first. Because one of the things you do too is normally, if you've got jumper cables, is you'll do this. You'll clip it on so you can't possibly short these two. Now I won't have to worry about this. I'll connect these to the person's battery. And I'll just come back with this, plug it in directly to the battery, and I'm done. Jump start it, put it back, and that's it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. I would love that. I know we all would. And if you want to subscribe, the bell is going to be up here somewhere or down here. I don't know where it is. If you hit the bell, then you'll get notified anytime we have a new video come out. And now that it's spring, I'm going to have a lot of videos coming out on my Tow Vehicle Tech Talk series, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope it's helping you guys. It helps me. Anyway, thanks for being our guest. Take care, everyone. Still recording? Today, I'm going to talk to you about being able to jump somebody safely without hurting yourself. And if you're lucky, you'll get their wallet. No, that's a different jump. Sorry, I'm going to talk. I'm going to talk about